yellow too? Hey, stay here, don't do nothing.
Alright, so we've ripped out all 28 walking or sidewalk steps, sidewalk squares, slabs, whatever you want to call them. I've tillered it all up. So we used to have good dirt. They had to bring in 8 inches of topsoil because to help the grass grow because it's all shale. So we've tilled this up. We've tilled this up over the years, and it's like the topsoil is just washed out, and there is just massive chunks. The piece that kind of destroyed the rototiller was, I'd say, this is a 14-inch block, I think. It was from here to here. So you tell me that's about 12 and about 6-7 wide. 2 inches thick. I hit that thing and it freaking did some damage. It basically sheared the pin. I pulled the pin out of this one that was all bent. Took it to hardware. We're going to get that fixed. This is the side that busted. The pin is actually in the shaft. I don't know where, but I think it's in there. And it also busted the weld. This is welding on 4 sides. It completely busted the weld when I hit it, so I got it all. But yeah, just want to give you an update. We got 6.5 tons right there of, it's not filtered soil, just normal soil, so it's got a little bit of sticks in it, a little bit of mulch, dirt, all that good stuff. We're going to try to use as much as possible here, over here, to build it up where we can put these blocks back in nice and neat. But over here we're going to dig it out a foot below that brick line down, and then we're going to backfill it with good dirt. And we're going to see how that works. We're the first owners of this house, and we've been here for 14 years. And it's time. We haven't messed with the walking block or nothing like that when we put it in 10 years ago. And it was a nightmare. So, yeah, it's going to look good. It's going to look good. Got a lot of working to do. Drop the layer, or the level of the dirt, by about 5 inches here. Closer you get to the block, about a foot out, it drops. Because it's just a bunch of backfill they had of shale up against the foundation. But this other stuff, it gets down hard again. So once we clear this off, I'll be able to tiller it again and drop another block and a half. Well, block and a half total. So yeah, there's the load. I love this trailer. For those that don't know what this is a mortar mixer, frame, tires, and front axle, or front tongue. I cut all the mortar mixer parts off of it and just threw on a normal bed because I got sick of it falling apart on me. I'll put the video up here. Something, I've never done it before, but it's called a card. Click on that and you can watch out how that build went. So definitely this is overloaded at the moment, especially for this 4-wheeler, but I don't care.